Hi, I'm Wade Wingler with the Data Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana. Today we're going to talk about time. You know those great old songs about time is on your side, or does anybody really know what time it is right now? Well, sometimes we have issues with time. Sometimes I oversleep and I'm late to work because my alarm clock didn't wake me up. Today I want to talk about some assistive technology that might help dealing with time. For example, if you're somebody who is hard of hearing or completely deaf, you might use a clock like this. There are a lot of clocks out there that do some things that are interesting, that have the ability to adjust the volume on an alarm so you can make a really, really loud alarm. Or this one even has the ability to put this vibrating pod under your pillow or under your mattress, and it just shakes to wake you up in the morning so that you don't have to listen to an alarm. Sometimes adaptive time telling is as simple as a large print clock. For somebody who has low vision, who can use a clock that has bigger numbers on it to make it easier to see. They even make adaptive timers that also are larger print, so that folks who are trying to figure out how long it takes to boil an egg or to time a portion of a game or some activity, you can use a timer like this. Of course, many of us have heard of talking alarm clocks, clocks that announce the time, so that you know what time it is. You can set alarms and have them spoken to you. There are even more sophisticated clocks and timepieces out there that help people who have a hard time remembering when to do certain tasks at certain times. For example, this is the DataLink USB watch from Timex, and it has the ability to connect to your computer and put a whole series of reminders so that during the day it can remind you when to get up, when to take medication, when to get dressed, when to have breakfast. So throughout the day you can put just lots and lots of alarms in this watch and remind somebody how to do things throughout their day. If somebody needs more sophisticated prompting, there are a bunch of different kinds of personal digital assistant-based reminder systems that will remind people how to do all kinds of things. Whether they're task-based, like here's the first step in making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, get out the bread, get out the peanut butter, get out the jelly, and so on, or things that are more sophisticated that allow you to keep track of things throughout your day, like, okay, now it's time to go to physics class, or now it's time to go meet your friend at the coffee shop to study for your exam coming up. So, you know, time is one of those things that we all kind of live by and try to make sure that we're able to be more independent because we can show up on time to places, keep our appointments, and take care of our obligations that way. So there are lots of different ways to do adaptive time, clocks, and alarms and things like that. So that's your tech tip for this week. I'm Wade Wingler with the Data Project in Indiana.